After the second floor of a reinforced concrete multi-story building has been defined, a floor slab for the next level can be defined. First, at the top of the drawing area, click the Plan tab. The drawing area updates to a plan view of the model. Zoom into the model. From the toolbar, select Floor. The Floor dialog displays. In the Properties group, expand the Thickness dropdown and select TH250. Now it's time to define the placement of the slab. Click Geometry. Next, in the drawing area, begin with the corner located at 0, 0. Next, pick 0, 11 and 2, 11. At this point, an arc will be defined within the slab. To do this, return to the Floor dialog, and from the Geometry group, select Arc Beginning, Center, End. With the previously selected point already defined as the beginning of the arc, in the drawing area, select the center point of the arc at 6, 11. Pick to select the end of the arc at 9, 11. In the Floor dialog, under the Geometry group, select Segment to return to creating the slab using simple line segments. In the drawing area, pick the remaining corners of the floor, but exclude the elevator shaft and stairwell while creating the polygon of the slab by picking around their perimeter. Therefore, the coordinates of the remaining points are as follows: 11, 11, 11, 0, 6, 6.5, 4.5, 6.5, and 4.5, 0. Select the initial point to close the shape. The floor slab appears in the drawing area. Close the Floor dialog. A floor can be defined using segments and arcs.